The product I'm going to talk about today is the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Capsules Line Erasing Night Serum. You might have already seen it on Instagram because it is very Insta-worthy, but also the pretty pink pearls are quite memorable. I just realized I matched the product. It is a pink version of the beautiful gold Elizabeth Arden Ceramide, which is a stone cold classic cult product. Developed in 1990, it absolutely revolutionized the skincare market. The first bioengineered ceramide, single dose product. It changed the way that we viewed skincare, and it also changed our skin. So now Elizabeth Arden have taken all of the goodness, the luxurious plumping and hydrating properties of ceramide and added retinol. What is retinol? Retinol is a molecule. It's a derivative of vitamin A, and it is universally acknowledged as the most potent, effective ingredient in treating most of the big anti-aging issues. Uneven skin, rosacea, acne scarring, lack of glow. Retinol's effectiveness really comes down to how much you use and how often. And for some people, particularly if you've never used it before, too much retinol too fast and you get the reverse effect where you're actually getting irritation, redness, flakiness, makeup's hard to put on, and what's the point of that? And one of the most genius things about this product is the way that it is delivered in the monodose. I mean, number one, when you go traveling, you say, how many nights am I going to be away? And you just pack the capsule rather than the entire jar. I mean, that is genius. But mainly because it gives you an exact dose and protects the potency of the retinol, because retinol is a delicate, fragile molecule, and it doesn't like oxygen and it doesn't like light. So it is great to just be able to snip the top off it and use what you need. Now, I'm going to put it on my hand and show you about how much there is. Now, the rule of thumb, gosh, that feels good. I'm actually not wasting this. This is going on here. Yeah. Never waste an active ingredient, really. I mean, your neck will thank you later. One of the other key points about the Retinol Ceramide capsules is the ingredients that complement the retinol. So there are brilliant nourishers like avocado oil and olive oil, which actually work as a buffer between the retinol and your skin. So they work to slow down the release of the retinol over the 8 hours of your sleep, which means that you're not getting retinol directly on your face and that aggressive impact. It's working slowly, slowly, slowly. And the result is that you wake up with soft, silky skin, zero redness, zero irritation. This is going to be your new addiction.